Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel. I am very happy that you are here today. Thank you so much for giving your time, your trust, and your beautiful support. Today's topic is something that many people struggle with every single day. Something that stops millions of learners from speaking English freely. Something that destroys confidence, creates fear, and keeps your voice locked inside. Yes, my friends. Today, we will talk about speaking English with confidence, with no more fear, no more shyness, and no more hesitation. So sit back, relax, breathe slowly, and let these words touch your mind and heart. Part 1. You are not the only one afraid. My friend, let me tell you a truth. You are not the only person who feels nervous when speaking English. You are not the only one who worries about mistakes. You are not the only one who fears judgment. Millions of English learners across the world feel exactly like you. Some feel shy because they think their accent is not perfect. Some stay silent because they think their grammar is not strong. Some avoid speaking because they fear people will laugh. But here is the important part. Your fear does not mean you are weak. Your shyness does not mean you are slow. Your hesitation does not mean you cannot improve. It only means you are human. You care. You want to speak well. And that is beautiful. Part 2. Confidence is not a gift, it is a skill. Many people think confidence is a natural talent. But no, confidence is a skill. A skill that you build. A skill that grows inside you. A skill that becomes stronger with small daily practice. Think about this. A baby does not walk on the first day. A singer does not sing perfectly on the first day. A driver cannot drive smoothly on the first day. Everything great in life takes time, and speaking English confidently is exactly the same. Confidence grows when you practice a little every day. Confidence grows when you hear your own voice. Confidence grows when you try, even if you are not perfect. Part 3. The biggest secret. Speak even if you make mistakes. Let me tell you the biggest secret of confident English speakers. They make mistakes. A lot of mistakes. But they keep speaking. Every confident speaker you know, every YouTuber, every teacher, every foreigner who speaks English, they all made mistakes, but they did not stop. Confidence does not come from perfection. Confidence comes from action. If you wait for perfect English, you will wait forever. But if you speak with imperfect English, your confidence will grow forever. Part 4. Listen more, speak more. You want to speak confidently? Then feed your mind with English every day. Listen for 10 minutes. Speak for 10 minutes. Read out loud for 10 minutes. These 30 minutes can change your life. When you listen daily, English becomes natural. When you speak daily, your tongue becomes flexible. When you read loudly, your voice becomes strong. Small daily habits create a big future. Part 5. Talk to yourself, the most powerful method. If nobody is available to practice with you, don't worry. You already have the best speaking partner in the world, yourself. Self-talk is the strongest tool for confidence building. Talk to yourself when you cook. Talk to yourself when you walk. Talk to yourself when you travel. Talk to yourself before sleeping. Describe what you see. Explain what you feel. Share what you plan. Your own voice will become your best teacher. Part 6. Change your mindset. Confidence begins inside your mind. Stop saying, "I cannot speak English. I am not good. I make too many mistakes." Start saying, "I am improving daily. My English grows every day. I speak with confidence." What you repeat becomes your reality. If you speak with fear, fear grows. If you speak with confidence, confidence grows. Choose the voice you want to listen to. Part 7. Your accent is beautiful. Don't hide it. My friend, listen clearly. Your accent is not a problem. Your accent is your identity. You do not need an American accent. You do not need a British accent. You do not need to sound like a native speaker. You just need to be clear, natural, and confident. Your English does not need to be perfect. It needs to be real. The world does not want perfect English. The world wants your voice. Part 8. Speak slowly, speak clearly, speak calmly. When you speak fast, your brain panics. When you speak slowly, your brain relaxes. Slow speaking is not a weakness. It is a sign of confidence. Pause. Take your time. Feel your words. Let English flow peacefully. The calmer you are, the smoother you sound. Part 9. Practice this every day. Here is a simple daily speaking routine. 5 minutes, breathe and relax. 5 minutes, listen to simple English. 5 minutes, read loudly. 10 minutes, speak to yourself. 5 minutes, record your voice. This 30-minute routine will transform your confidence in 30 days. Part 10. Believe in yourself. My friend, you can speak English confidently. You can clear your fear. You can remove your shyness. You can become a smooth English speaker. Not tomorrow, not next year, but starting today. Every small step you take brings you closer. Every word you speak gives you power. Every mistake you make teaches you something. You are stronger than your fear. You are bigger than your shyness. You are ready to shine. And I believe in you. Truly. Closing. Thank you, my dear friends, for watching this video. I hope today's message gives you strength and confidence. If you felt inspired, please like this video and share it with someone who needs encouragement. Remember, speak English with courage. Speak English with calmness. Speak English with a smile. Your voice deserves to be heard. Take care, stay confident, and keep practicing. See you in the next video.